Good morning, children. Today we are going to study trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. We have some results. Sin 90 degree minus A is equal to cos A and cos 90 degree minus A is equal to sin A. Tan 90 degree minus A is equal to tan A. Then cosec 90 degree minus A is equal to sec A and sec 90 degree minus A is equal to cosec A. Cot 90 degree minus A is equal to tan A. Listen. Result sin 90 degree minus A cos A. Cos 90 degree minus A sin A. Tan 90 degree minus A cot A. Cosec 90 degree minus A sec A. And sec 90 degree minus A cosec A. Cot 90 degree minus A tan A. These are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now we are going to solve problems based on this. First question, find the value of x if cos x is equal to cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Cos x is equal to, put the values. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2 equals 1 into root 3 by 4 plus root 3 into 1 root 3 by 4 is equal to 4 upon root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 divided by 4. 4 2 cancelled 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. Which value of x angle is, which angle is root 3 by 2? Cos, therefore x is equal to cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 30 degree. Cos 30 degree, since cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So the value of x is 30 degree. Second question. Question number 2. Given cos 38 degree into sec 90 degree minus 2a is equal to 1. Find the value of angle A. Angle A. We have cos 38 degree into sec 90 minus 2a is equal to 1 equals cos 38 degree into, what is sec 90 degree minus a? Sec 90 minus a is cosec a. So sec 90 minus 2a is cosec 2a is equal to 1 equals cos 38 degree into, what is cosec 2a? 1 by sin 2a is equal to 1. Cos 38 into 1 by sin 2a, cross multiplication. Cos 38 degree is equal to sin 2a into 1 sin 2a. Now cos 38 is cos 90 minus 52. Listen, what is 90 minus 52? 90 minus 52 is equal to 38. So cos 38 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 52 degree. Cos 90 minus 52 is, this 90 minus 52 is equal to 38. So cos 38 can be written as 90 minus 52 degree is equal to sin 2a. What is cos 90 minus a? Cos 90 minus a is sin a. Here cos 90 minus 52 is Sine 52 is equal to sine 2a. Now sine, both the sides contain sine, so 52 is equal to 2a. Therefore a is equal to 52 by 2 equals 26 degree. So the value of angle A is 26 degree. Next question. Question number 3. Show that sine 26 degree divided by sec 64 degree plus cos 26 degree divided by cosec 64 degree is equal to 1. To prove this, first we take the LHS and here numerator and denominator. We change any one, either numerator or denominator. So first we write sine 26 itself and sec 64. What is 64? 90 minus 26 is here 10 minus 6, 8 minus 2. 90 minus 26 is 64. So sec 64 degree is equal to sec 90 minus 26 degree plus cos 26 is right itself cos 26 divided by cosec 64 is equal to cosec 64 is 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26, 64 can be written as 90 minus 26 equals sine 26 degree divided by sec 90 minus a is cosec a. So sec 90 minus 26 is cosec 26 plus cos 26 divided by cosec 90 minus 26 is cosec 90 minus a is sec a. So cosec 90 minus 26 is sec 26 equals sine 26. What is cosec 26? Cosec 26 is equal to 1 by sine 26. Cosec sine 26 by cosec 26 is equal to 1 by sine 26 degree plus cos 26 divided by 1 cosec 26 is 1 by cos 26 degree equals sine 26 degree division 1 by sine 26 means into sine 26 by 1, 26 degree by 1 plus cos 26 degree into 1 by cos 20, division 1 by cos 26 degree means into cos 26 degree by 1 equals sine 26 degree into sine 26 degree is sine square 26 degree by 1 means sine square 26 itself equals cos 26 into cos 26 is cos square 26 degree by 1 means cos square 26. We know that sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So sine square 26 degree plus cos square 26 degree is equal to 1 equals RHS. Fourth question. Question number 4. Express each each of the following in terms of each of the following in terms of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Question 1. Sin 59 degree plus tan 63 degree. Express this 59 and degree angle is in between 0 and 45. Sin equals sin 59 can be written as, what is 59? 90 minus 31. 10 minus 1, 9. So 59 can be written as sin 90 minus 31 plus tan 63 can be written as 90 minus 27. 10 minus 7, 3. 8 minus 2. So tan 90 minus 27 equals sin 90 minus a cos a. Sin 90 minus 31 cos 31 degree plus tan 90 minus 27. Tan is cot 27 degree. Now our angles are in between 31 degree, 27 degree, in between 0 and 45. Question number 5. Show that sin A divided by sin 90 minus A plus cos A divided by cos 90 minus A is equal to sec A into cosec A. Sec A into cosec A. Now take the LHS. Sin A divided by sin 90 minus A plus cos A divided by cos 90 minus A equals sin A divided by, what is sin 90 minus A? Sin 90 minus A is cos A plus cos A divided by cos 90 minus A is sin A. Take the LCM. Sin A cos A. Sin A cos A upon sin A cos A by cos A sin A. Sin A into sin A, sin square A plus sin A cos A by sin A is cos A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A equals, what is sin square A plus cos square A? 1 divided by sin A into cos A equals 1 by sin A into 1 by cos A. What is 1 by sin A? 1 by sin A is cosec A into 1 by cos A is sec A is equal to RHS. Sec A cosec A, which is equal to cosec A sec A equals RHS. Question number 6. Prove that sin A cos A minus sin A cos 90 minus A cos A divided by sec 90 minus A minus cos A sin 90 minus A sin A divided by cosec 90 minus A cosec 90 minus A is equal to 0. First we take the LHS and apply the ratios of complementary angles. Here our LHS is, take the LHS which is equal to first sin A cos A minus sin A into, what is cos 90 minus A? Cos 90 minus A is sin A into cos A divided by sec 90 minus A is cosec A minus cos A into sin 90 minus A is cos A into again sin A divided by cosec 90 minus A is sec A equals sin A cos A minus sin A into sin A, sin square A into cos A division cosec A means by 1 by sin A minus cos square A into sin A division sec A means division 1 by cos A equals sin A cos A minus sin square A into this sin square A into cos A division 1 by sin A means into sin A by 1 minus cos square A into sin A into sin A division 1 by cos A is sin A into cos A by 1 equals sin A cos A minus sin square A into cos A sin A minus cos square A into cos A sin A or sin A cos A equals sin A cos A minus cos A sin A common, that take outside cos A sin A into minus of cos A sin A into first bracket sin square A remaining plus here cos square A minus cos A sin A into sin square A is minus sin square A cos A sin A minus cos A sin A into cos square A is minus cos square A cos A sin A equals sin A cos A minus cos A sin A into, what is sin square A plus cos square A? 1. So equals sin A cos A minus cos A sin A equals 0 equals RHS. Seventh question. For triangle ABC, show that sin A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. We have to prove that sin A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2 for triangle ABC. ABC are the three vertices of a triangle. Then A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. What is A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2 is equal to 90 degree. A plus B plus C the whole divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Now we can split this A plus B b plus c by 2, a plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Then a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus c by 2. We have to prove that sine. Apply sine on both sides. Sine a plus b by 2 is equal to sine 90 degree minus c by 2. What is sine 90 minus sine a plus b by 2 is equal to, what is sine 90 minus c by 2? Sine 90 minus a is cos a. Sine 90 minus c by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. That is our answer. Hence, proved. Homework 21C 1 2 2 2 3 4 2 7 1 to 7. Thank you.